So, greetings again, now the mighty name, Rastafari. You don't know when I like trivial issues still, but more time. Some experience in them still where can teach others, and develop the vocab at some time, even the mentality, the morality to a degree. See, I'm telling you how Elephant Man and Lexus nearly dead. See, I'm stand up and watch the two man them. I got dead. See. When I Jarrett Lane with it, see, back in the late 90s, when he used to have this, he still have the football thing was going certain time of year. I can't remember if it's Easter time or Labor Day. I think it's Easter time. See. Football play all day, man, and niceness, see. I could put it away. Some youth up in the hillside, up on the tank. Most people can see the tank probably from Mount View, Winard Road side, Wellington Town. Further out here, you will see the tank on the hillside over Jarrett Lane. You see me? So, some youth up there bust up some gunshot the day. The footballer play music, play and everything nice. So you them go way up in the hill and go up on the tank and bust up some gunshot. See? Because the Elephant Man and Lexus go up, they go tell them to stop. Stop bust up the shot them because you don't know entertainment and enjoyment. A Lexus area, a local youth, so and I'm an entertainer, so obviously you can talk to a man and say, yeah. See? So because the Lexus carry Elephant Man go up, they go tell them, say, yo, stop bust up the buying them now, see? But you see, right through the whole time that some soldier did camp out over Wellington Town, see, about a mile or two away. See, on the level. And while the man them up on the tanker bust up them gun, the soldier them over Wellington Town police station and watch them. See. And you show the soldier them devious. The soldier them walk from Wellington Town. Them is too long them there, them know all of the shortcut them from there, so go everywhere for reach it quicker than all a car. See. Soldier them go up and squeeze come a Jarrett Lane like a flash. Right, because them they like all fence them take. See it if a road go round so and come back around, so any them man that come straight across, be a fence, be a wall and everything. Within minutes them be a Jarrett Lane. See it? Now the crowd they right around the field. You get what I say? Now the far end of the field, they to the hill. See? So them a come from the near end. Yes sir. See, them a come from Sanders Lane side, through the lane, through the whole thing. See? I don't know where them a come from. I just see them appear, but I know where them base. I know say Wellington Town them base. So I just see the man them appear. See? And nobody else see them because the boy them do it, them squeeze up behind the crowd. See it? And everybody I watch the football and I watch the entertainer them over so and everything. See? Just in time as the soldier them reach, the youth them come back down out of the hill. So basically them reach on the level as the soldier them reach. See? So the soldier them get for sit down man up there. Again, like, me I say if we define the man or whatever. See? So, what go up now is that the soldier them, like the people them go and pick up on the soldier them and start whisper, soldier. See? Say, I whisper, but the whisper really loud because the whole crowd a whisper. Because the whole crowd know what going on, the crowd knows that the youth them the right there, so. And them not see the soldier them and the soldier them the right there, so. I look for them. See? So the people them want the youth them know. So the whispering loud like a shout. All the soldiers them can't hear them. See? But a whisper, people are whisper star until the argument reach. But when the argument reach the youth them not get to see the soldier them now, nothing where them there or whatever. So, but through the bush, the hill, just the right behind them, a wire carry them dead, basically. See? Them just turn back and go zip up in the bush. See? And start diddle-daggle up in the bush and go up star and take with themselves. See? And the soldier them see them. See some man run off gone in the bush and just know say them man there. See? Because obviously from them run and most of them know the whisper go around and then. Because them dead in the crowd while the whisper go around and them see the man them zip through the bush. Them just zip through the bush. But the thing about the soldier them, you see from the soldier them go so boop and touch the bush, them disappear. We are watch them disappear in front of our eyes. So. The man them disappear, we can't see them again. It's a little general. A general now, a militant general, yes. Yeah, that man they comment for all of my video there. You know say about love that one, yeah. Yo, the general just get mad and take the mic from the sound man and say, hey youth, in the white shirt, take off that. All of them can see it. Straight away the man go say, take off him white shirt and disappear to it. Them a cut and go up in the bush same way, but it get less visible. You get what I say, cause them not in a camouflage like the soldier them. So we can make out a red shirt, a hat or whatever. And the man then up on the mic and tell every man say, yo, take off that way you have on, quick the soldier them can't see you. You don't see it, every man I do what he must say. You don't see it till we can't see them again. See, so we know them kind of covered there now, but we can't see the soldier them neither, so we don't know the soldier them there. Yeah, about 15 to 30 minutes, man, we're there, and the same general, man, when they have the mic earlier, man, like, the general just say, hey, you know, hey, go down there and take back the mic, you know, and say, hey, soldier, I better want to come out, you know. I better want to come out and go on, you know. Because if you kill the youth, them up there to them, you can't bomb buckler come out now, dead off. You know, see it? And all arguments cease. See? That's every man goes from every area, every community aligned to that area there, right? That's close by. Just run, go arms up themselves, my general. Rifle like fuckery. Just come back from everywhere. You know, see it? From everywhere. And every man just start knock one. Clang! 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 So it's like the soldier ear. Oh, the thing set up. You understand? So them proper surrounded by beer rifle and the man them don't want them say, yo, kill none of our friend them can enjoy. We enjoy ourselves in a soldier. You know, see? And that go on. You know, see it and come now like you know want kill you if you kill none of our friend them, you can't come back out of Warwick Hill. A man up on the sound mic can tell the soldier them that. You know, see? So the whole thing got quiet. We can't see the youth them and we can't see the soldier them again. But you have a certain point where if the soldier them pass that, we ever can't see them because it's like a clearing. You see what I say? Anyway, when I see them pass that point there, the youth them however pass that point there and continue to go on. See? So we know say them here, what go on. You see it? And know say them are here. Boom! Boom! Man, them are knock 1 and 2 2 and we can't see the soldier them at all. Because we expect them to either come back out now or progress. No. You know, see, but we did the same way all the ends and look. Adams Mr. Drive in. The video you have done soon, so I hurry up. Adams Mr. Drive in. You know, see, I'm parking vehicle them at a certain point and walk up him alone. Yeah, couple police could have done everything, but I saw Adams still. Adams a bad man police, you know, I don't feel no way, you know. And the soldier them Adams, the soldier them blood clot way there for that I want to know. Yeah? And Adams walk in and I say, yo, what go on? So, yo, what go on? You know, see, and the people them start explaining to me, sir, you know, women and children and everybody start explaining, say, well, you with them did a fire too shot. I mean, I tell you, say, Mr. Adams say, all right. Boom, bam, bam, pan him radio, lula, le. Me never dare side of Adams, so I hear Adams actually, I say. See? And rate and play and then boom, bam, bam, le again. And like a couple of minutes, and the soldier them miss stay, so I come out of Warwick. Walk past Adams. Shame! You know, see, the place I look for no man and nobody start, man, them head all down. You know, see, Adams did it like Adams a laugh. I say police save soldier already in a Warwick and they think a joke. Yeah, Adams, I say come up there, come say, basically shut a bus, you know, I say, yo, what on the fuck, yo. I said, man, furthermore, Adams a general. The whole I respect him as that anyway, from day that. You get what I say? Yo, done, walk on, yo, talk to me. Adams that, man. Yeah, man. Then we go up on the radio and say, soldier, you come on, man. Nobody not hurt you. Come. Oh, buckler, come on, man. And call them down and them walk down, shame, man. Walk with gone too. Him alone there, a reason like him. Yo, Adams a general. We don't have to do that. You don't know, just another experience that still. You see, share, like, and subscribe, man. More bless. Rastafari.